Hey, wine fanatics, it's Stephen here from the Napa Valley Wine Academy content team with an update on all the new stuff that we've put into membership. So, if you do have membership already, you'll find all this in the news section, so you don't have to go looking for it, but feel free to use the search bar anyway if you really want to. So let's get started. We have a new webinar with Mark Hushar of Chateau Mouza, which is probably Lebanon's most famous winery. If you didn't know anything about Lebanese wine, this is a great place to start. You're going to learn something new. But also, this winery is a little different to most wineries. They do things that most wineries do not do. And as a result, they get this wine that's truly unique, vintage to vintage. It's revered around the world. It's very famous. And hearing the story from someone who's deeply involved with a lot of love for the winery, it's really inspiring and fun. Great webinar. You should definitely check it out. Now, we do have a lot of stuff from Lebanon now, obviously this webinar, but also we released this documentary a couple of weeks ago, a 3-part series on Lebanon. So we thought we should probably get you a map. So we got our cartographer Roman to make a wine map for Lebanon. So you're going to be able to find where the Bekaa Valley is and all the other regions they're talking about. Right, next up we have a webinar. It's about the Jura and it's from Wink Launch. Now, Wink Launch is probably the preeminent expert on Jura wines. Not only is she an author, but she's an educator as well. So more so than nearly any webinar I've been involved with, you're going to take something away from this, whether you're a complete beginner to an expert in wine. Most people don't know a huge amount about the Jura. They think it's a bit of a mystery. And Wink's done a really great job to sort of unravel a lot of that mystery. It's a really fun webinar and you'll learn a lot. When we did broadcast it, we had to cut it off at the hour mark, but Wink was good enough to hang around, and so we've got another 15 minutes to go on beyond that. So if you were live, there's some new stuff there too as well. Finally, we had a WSET Diploma Study Success Panel. Our diploma manager, Noel, had 4 graduates, myself included, talk about our experiences doing the WSET diploma. It's a really hard accreditation and it's really humbling. And there's 4 humble people talking about their challenges, what worked, what didn't work. So if you're a level 3 student looking to do diploma, or even if you're an early diploma student, like a D1, a D2 student, it's a really great webinar to see and hopefully get some tips, some study tips to succeed at your diploma studies. That's it for this week. If you do not have membership, you should definitely get it. Go to www.napavalleywineacademy.com/NVWA membership and sign up today. Have a great week.